Alright, today we're making General Tso's chicken. We're using the ingredients from Blackstone's cookbook. I mean, I literally just seasoned this thing for the first time ever after firing it up. So I'm about to try cooking something with it for the first time ever. So let's see what we can do here. I'm just gonna be following instructions. Never done this before, so welcome to the journey. And yeah, I figured I'd give this thing a shot. Maybe try doing like a little cooking channel, see how I like it. See what kind of responses I get from it. I would love to do this regularly. Trying a new recipe a couple times a week or so. That sounds incredible to me. So let's give it a shot. Mix all of the sauce ingredients together and set aside. Already did that. We got some 2.6 pounds of chicken breasts, green onion, cornstarch, all here. I'm supposed to be mixing it together, but this bowl's too small, so I'm gonna do it on the surface here. And here we have minced garlic, minced ginger, 1 teaspoon, or sorry, 3/4 cup of sugar, kind of eyeballing some of that, soy sauce, 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Here, I'll let you kind of read that too. So 3 pounds boneless chicken breasts, 1 cup green onion, 1/2 cups cornstarch, and then for the sauce, we got 1.5 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon minced ginger, 3¼ cup sugar, 1/2 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup white vinegar, 1/4 cup shoksing wine or sherry cooking wine, 1 can chicken broth, says 14.5 ounces. I eyeballed it, and then 2 to 3 teaspoons red pepper flakes. So like I said, all that I eyeballed, so it may or may not be on spec. Plus it's telling me to use white rice. I'm using stir-fry rice, or sorry, stir-fry noodles. Never even used those before, so everything here is new for me. Let's give it a shot. Oh, there we go. Cooking begins. All right, gonna set that aside here for a second. Trying to do this with causing as least of a mess as possible, although it's kind of tough. I'm gonna try to stir that up as best as I can. Looks a little dry. I add a little bit of oil to it, which is all right. It told me to do that to start anyway, so probably should have done that before I even put this on there, to be honest. But it's all good. Yeah, this grill's probably really hot right now because I was maxing it out at all temperatures, because you're supposed to season these. So when you first buy it, you're supposed to put a bunch of canola oil on it. Not a bunch, actually. A thin surface layer of canola oil, or any oil. I did a bunch of research. You can use any oil. I use canola oil because it's cheap. But I use canola oil. Just essentially layered it all around the entire surface. Waited for it to all smoke and burn off. After it's kind of done smoking, you put another layer on it and just kind of repeat all that 3 to 5 times. I just did it 5 times just because I want to keep this thing in good shape. And then yeah, you're supposed to do all that while it's in high heat. So it was supposed to make a anti-stick surface. Not really seeing too much of that, but it's all right. Still getting the hang of this thing. Okay, let's see what we got. Got a couple of follow-up. I went to a work conference and getting all these follow-up emails. I was just there for the free stuff. I don't want to talk to these people. A little bit more. I don't know why I keep adding oil to it. It seems like the right thing to do, to be honest, but I don't know if it is. Yeah, so far, this thing is badass. Just the fact that what I'm doing here is freaking cool. So let's see the next step in the process. According to the cookbook, it says in a large bowl, toss the chicken, cornstarch. Oh yeah, I already did that here, medium high. Okay, did that, medium. I just have the side burners on low because I'm not really using them. Probably could turn them off, but when the chicken is about 90% done, pour half of your sauce mixture, which is that, over it and toss the chicken around with metal spatula to coat all of it in the sauce. Pour the rest of your sauce with green onions on the chicken and move the chicken around. Alright. I'll wait a little more though. Doesn't look like it's quite 90%. I'd say more like, I don't know, like 40% if anything. It's a little raw there. Alright. Yeah, I got some buddies trying to watch the football game, but to be honest with you, I don't watch college football. I didn't even know it was today until a couple people were talking about it, to be honest with you. Alright, it's not looking like 90%, but I feel like in order to get the chicken to absorb the flavor, I'm just gonna pour it over. At least not all of it, but some of it. Kind of have it absorb. Whoa! Alright, we got some action going on here. That's cool. Gonna mix all that in there. I think that cornstarch is supposed to make it a little bit of a kind of like texture to the chicken, because kind of General Tso's kind of got that crispiness to it, so I'm hoping that kind of comes out of it. Let's see what we got. I don't really make videos out here, so my neighbors might be judging me a little bit, but I could care less. Alright. Work skillet, eat 3 spoons of water. Alright, add noodles. Oh, I got water right here. Look at that. Filtered water too. Alright. So through 3 minutes, you know, I've never made this kind of rice before. So let's just go for it, I guess. I'm gonna add this in there and then add the rest of the sauce. So because it says 90% done, pour half of it, pour the rest of the sauce, and move the chicken around. Well, I'm just gonna put this in there. Whoa, not the plastic. I'm just gonna do all of that. Let me see. For that much chicken. Alright, that's all garbage. Give that a quick toss. I got a little fire going back there, or did. It's kind of starting to die. Doing everything at once as always. It's kind of the life of Chris. Oh, all the garlic was at the bottom. Look at that. Come on, get out of there, get out of there. Alright, alright. that. That's starting to look pretty good. I'm gonna turn the heat down just a little bit there. Put it on low. Start kind of chopping up the noodles. Let them loosen up. Absorb some of that sauce. Yeah, I mean, you could make this on a pan, but I don't know. I don't think it would be the same. It's definitely... Yeah, turn it up again. I don't know. It kind of seems a little... like it's dying a little bit. Come on, man. There we go. Alright. Got some neighbors checking me out. It's alright. If you want a little taste there, man, don't be shy. Come on in and take a bite. Alright. A little bit of water. Just to, I don't know. Just to do something.